Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And tonight I come to you with Shirley Temple's wig. Now, here it is all curled up. I was going to wait a week before I even took the curls out of it. But I was watching Rachel Hoffman and I was listening to Linda, and Linda says a day to 2 days, that's all you need to keep the curls in once you put them in. She said usually by the next day she's pulling the curlers out, and she has wonderful curls in it. I pulled one out, and I do. I have beautiful curls on this wig. So I figured, well, if that's the case, I thought I would have to wait like a week to get a good curl. Since it hasn't been curled in such a long time, I thought, well, then if that's the case, she was showing how she took an old wig and how she just curled it right up. Now, she used also a curling iron, which I also bought from Doll Part Supply, that can also make, like, I would call them lazy soft curls type of thing and ringlets and whatnot. I don't want to do that with this doll, but she does it right with mohair wigs. Another thing that somebody brought up was when she had a wig that had some green stuff in it, and she did the normal wash on it, couldn't get the green out of the wig, and one of the things that she used was called Safeway Glass Cleaner, and she used that for getting that green out of the wig. So I looked it up on Amazon. I'm not buying it because I don't have no wigs that are like that right now. Now, if I ever do, I have a stain that's in a wig that's beyond what I can get out, it will be something I'll look into. But at this time, I'm not buying the product because it'll just sit here and probably go bad because I don't have no need for it. But she does use it. It's a tip, she said, a secret tip that doll people use on wigs that are really, really dirty and are stained. And it gets the stains out of the wig. So something nice to know. What else did she have to say? They said, do not use Windex. Use the Safeway. It's a foam. And that's what they use to clean the wig with. It comes out like a foam. So that was interesting to know. So anyways, we're going to pull the curlers out of her hair and let's see how she looks. I'm hoping we're doing good here. Yeah, we are. So let's get some of these curlers out. If this ends and I'm still working on this, have a good night. I'm going to charge up my batteries again and we'll be back. I'll be right back out here again with more videos. So here's the first curl. You're seeing it with me now. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Oh, so it did curl up within that day. Like one day, over 1 day type of thing. Actually, it's almost a day and a half now. So, oh, look at the curls. Oh, I'm loving it. Getting excited over this. I have a mess of these old curlers and I love using them. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh. And she said not to use hairspray because, and whoever told me about this was right. Bugs like to get into. Now, I rolled that one the wrong way. These are going this way. I was supposed to roll this one the opposite way. But oh well. I rolled that one wrong. Oh well. And I got a feeling. No, I rolled this one the wrong way. I'm going all different ways. Oh well. I'm just going to go with it. Oh my goodness, she looks beautiful. I might re-roll some of these if this is the case. Again, just spritz it and put them in and re-roll them. It looks like a lot of them are going up. So that one was wrong. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Cute curls. Oh my goodness. And I did use a pick in this. I have to get I have a kit that's from someone was saying that they used a pick. So did I. I used a pick to separate. But even on Rachel Hoffman's, I want to show this to you. I saved the hair because Linda called this a rat. And what you do with this, when you're making a wig, you can use this on the top of the head and then sew across your or wherever you're putting, what side your split is for the hair. You can sew this with the wefts, and it just gives more hair and more fullness to the wig. So I'm keeping this in this bag here. So there you go. Thought I'd tell you about that. I learned a lot from her. A lot from her. So that was nice to see. And oh my goodness, these curls are beautiful. Whoa, 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 we're falling off. Okay. Whoa. Here, we'll just take this off for a minute here. Because I got some on the bottom here. Oh my goodness, I love these curls. This wig has got so much life yet into it. I'm so glad I'm saving it. I was a little discouraged at first when I was doing this, and I didn't know if I could do it or not, is save this wig, but I'm so glad I gave it the time it needed. I'll have to grab Shirley Temple and see about putting this on top of her. For a wig that lost a lot of hair, and even as I was watching, what's her name, Linda, on that video, she was combing out wefts of hair, like just, I mean, gobs of hair, and she kept it. She wasn't the least bit worried about it. She was like, nope, that happens in these wigs. And I was like, she had a great big long weft of hair, and I was like, oh wow, maybe I was doing what was right then. Who knows how much the manufacturer has the ability to put the time in like she did, and we would if you were making your own wig and taking out the hair. They probably just sew it in, and that's the end of it, you know, and away they go type of thing, you know. So I'm thinking to myself, maybe this is just how it goes, you know. So yeah, this is beautiful. I am happy with this. So happy with the curls I'm getting. And like I said, if I don't get the ringlets, if I can just get the curls, I'm happy with the curls, you know, as well. But I'm hoping to make some ringlets out of this too. So, oh my goodness, look at that. Nice, nice little curls. Oh, right to the top of her head. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh. Those perm papers really help. I'm so glad I went to that place and bought them. I found a store here. They wanted to do my hair, and I went, no, it's in a ponytail. It's good enough. Can we do your hair? No. Because my problem is I wouldn't keep it. I think I was raised around, like, very tomboyish. And I know there's some women that are really into their hair, and this woman was. You could see that what she would probably want to do is something I wouldn't know how to would want to keep up. You got to have the desire also to keep that type of thing up, and I don't. So, you know, it's to each their own. Like I said, I'm a woman on the run, and that's how I am. And you have to accept who you and what you are, and that's who I am. And I have no problem with it. So I just deal with it and I just go, you know. So, and be happy who you are, you know, in that way. So, but to the next person, I don't mind if they want to do, you know, have fancy hairdos, go for it, you know. I always admire people and their hair. But not me cup of tea. Okay, it's all out. Oh my goodness. It's just shiny and soft and everything. But look at those nice. Like, she's not going to have, I don't know if I can get these to be like curls that hang down or anything like actual, like, I'm trying to make like ringlets type of thing. It's going to be more just like a curly wig type of thing. I'm getting some ringlets there. See what I'm doing? I'm kind of joining up hair together type of thing to make like a ringlet. And it's working very nicely. This is why I got to put my glasses on. So I'm getting like a ringlet type style here, which is really nice to see. Just playing it with my fingers, you know. And I think that's what you got to do type of thing. And you just kind of join up hair together. Keep you on camera now. I hope you're still, oh yeah, you're being recorded, okay. So you're seeing what I'm doing here and just kind of putting those ringlets together, those curls together type of thing. But see, she's missing hair in places. There's hair missing in her. So we're getting some linglets put together here. So it's just a matter of, you know, putting that hair together type of thing to get these ringlets. You know, oh, I think it's looking nice though. And just enough just to join this hair up together and get the ringlets put in together so they join, you know. Curl it all up in together type of thing. I'm not even an expert. I'm not. I'm just winging this with people. I'm winging. I'm doing a lot of winging. So, and it's working. So we get some ringlets here. What do you think? My ringlets coming up pretty good? Oh my word, her hair is just curling. I thought I was going to have to put bobby pins in this, but there's no need for it. That the ringlets just want to stay. Like this hair is a curly, like this must have been a goat with curly hair. I'm not big, I don't know a lot about goat hair or anything of that sort. I haven't been around a lot of goats to know what their hair looks like or does or whatever. But look at that nice shaped wig. Oh! There you go. There's my exclamation, my screaming there done type of thing. You know, trying to take as much of this and just form it with my fingers, do finger curls type of thing. Wow, I am really impressed though. Where's the front of her wig? Is it right here? Is this the front? I had it here a few minutes ago. I could see it. Yeah, this right here is the front of her wig. Oh, I love it. I think it looks great. I don't know, like, what do you think? Now we get this on Shirley next. Okay, I'm going to go grab Shirley and we'll be back. Hold on, everybody, onto your seat, because now it's time to put this wig on her. Hang on. Bye-bye.